Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video in which we'll talk about the File token and Filecoin. Wanted to do a full update on that because I think some interesting structures are coming up on the technical side, but I also think fundamentally there are some nice opportunities with Filecoin. So I wanted to cover it before we get into the full technical and fundamental analysis. If you want daily trading signals from me and another trader, make sure to check out the link down in the pinned comment or in the description for a Telegram group and a Discord group. And there are instructions on how to join in those groups. So now let's get right into it. So to start off with the fundamentals, one thing I wanted to talk about is something that I think most of you know, but some of you might not. And I think it's important and almost necessary for you to know that. So I'm quickly going to look that up. It's not going to take that long. All right, this is coming up. The FEVM launch, which is going to be a huge update for Filecoin. I should have just stayed on the other page because here you will not find that much more information right here. So the mainnet of that is going to go up the 14th of March, which is it's in 12 days. So less than 2 weeks. I think that was already quite a big part of why we rallied right here, but I also think that more opportunities will be arising because of that. And that's why I wanted to make this video. Now, right now, if you take a look at Filecoin, just purely at some statistics and the volume, you can see that the volume is still very much pretty high. If you take a look at where the volume is coming from, you can, it's normal. There are some sources of volume which I don't like too much, but it's not a problem. And in terms of technicals, we already we found support at this level around 6.3 already, which is right now that the 200 EMA has dropped down there, an even stronger level. But I do think that after the rally we got there, which let us break above 6.7, I do think right now we have found a major resistance again, around 7.3, 7.25, around the 382 fib. I think we have found enough resistance to actually drop back down to 6.7, and I actually, which is pretty risky, knowing that those bullish fundamentals are coming, but I actually think that we will even drop back down to that level. Now, then it's going to be difficult because there's quite a big chance that from 6.3, because the 200 EMA is there, that makes it quite strong, that from there we'll find support and that we will rally from here all the way up to, I think after the FEVM or before the FEVM launch, I think we can rally all the way up to 7.75 and $8 again. Quite a big rally. It's quite risky for me to say this, but all right, that's just my belief. I could be wrong about that. But personally, I will only enter a Filecoin trade, to be honest, if we drop down all the way to $6. I think technically that's the stronger support level. It's been supported more often. You also have 5.8 cents, and it's unfortunate if I miss it, but it's just the ideal risk reward for me. You also have the 50 EMA coming there. The 100 EMA is probably too late there, but still. So, but yeah, I do think initially, as I said, that we'll drop down there. We'll drop down now to 6.7. If we are able to hold 6.7 as a support for the next week or so, then I was wrong. We're not going to drop down, and then we'll rally from here. Same price target. But as I said, for now, what I expect is that we'll find some support there, but not enough to prevent us from dropping down to this level between 6.3 and $6. And then from there, at one of those levels, I think we'll be able to rally in the upcoming week and a half. But I'll keep you updated on that, of course. For now, this is my full take and an explanation also on Filecoin. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.